Hello dear valued customer. Now let me show you how to reset the lock from inside the back panel. The first way, you need to take all screws off and take 4 batteries off. This one screw, take them all off and you will see a back panel like this. You just hold it. And you will see there is a reset button here at the right bottom corner, a golden color one. And now what we need to do is put all batteries back on the panel again to repower the lock. Wait for seconds. Four pieces batteries, put them back. Okay, and now please hold this reset button around 3 seconds until you hear please input initialization password.
Please input initialization passcode.
Okay, after you hear that, please enter 3 zeros and 1 pound sign on the keypad to complete the whole reset procedure.
Deleting administrator successful.
Okay, when you hear deleting administrator successful, which means you reset the lock successfully. And now please have a try to pair the lock on the app again. And after you pair it successfully, then you can put the back panel and all screws on the door.